Miss Jackson. For real.
Hello everybody, welcome to Math is Life channel. Today I am going to talk about how to add or how to subtract fractions with like denominators. Let's see the rule. First, you can add or subtract numerators, but you have to keep the denominators same. You can convert mixed number to improper and you can simplify it if possible. Let's see examples. Everybody, we have 6 examples. Let's start from the first, 5 over 8 plus 2 over 8. Everybody, so you have just addition of the numerators. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 8 stays same. Let's see 7 over 8. Let's see another example about subtraction. 9 over 11 minus 3 over 11. First of all, you can subtract numerators. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 and over 11. Let's see another example. 5 and 1 over 6 plus 2 and 4 over 6. First of all, if you have whole numbers, you can add first whole. Then you can add numerators, but you keep the denominator same. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 6. 7 and 5 over 6. Let's see another example. 6 and 3 over 10 minus 3 and 2 over 10. Everybody, if you have wholes, first you can subtract wholes. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3, this is the numerator and this is the numerator. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and denominator stays same. 3 and 5 over 10. Let's see. Sorry, 3 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 and 1 over 10. Next question, next example. 3, there is no whole. 3 plus nothing is equal to 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5, keep the denominator same. We have whole 3, we have whole 2. Everybody, denominators are the same. Because of that, we can subtract wholes and we can subtract numerator. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 and 7. 1 and 15 over 7. That's it everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.